To pass the Luxembourgish spoken test, that's the Luxembourgish language test, you will be given a photo and you need to describe what you see in that photo. In Luxembourgish? Yes, Luxembourgish.
Oh, and what level of detail is required?
Good question. You need to describe not just what you see, but also where things are in the picture. So prepositions are very important. Which ones are prepositions?
Oh, can I?
Yeah, go
A
ahead.
preposition describes where something is in relation to something else.
Exactly.
Like behind the door or under the table or...
Across from the kiss ass. So take this photo, for instance. So it's not enough to just say, that's a restaurant. You need to use prepositions to say where things are. You want to give it a try? That ass, red lights above the table. That ass, a dude in a red sweater next to an empty chair. That ass, Okay, good. You know what prepositions are, but you need to use Luxembourgish.
Can I try?
Yes, go ahead.
Op de rechterzijde, aan er veel rood luchten, zit een man aan een rood pullover met zijn familie. De stoel heeft hem as idol.
Perfect.
He didn't say that ass.
There's more to speaking Luxembourgish than just saying that ass.
Why did I memorize that ass if I'm not going to use it? When do I get to use that ass?
I'm sure you'll have a chance.